Alright, welcome back to the channel. Another video. It is the first firewood gathering video of 2026. Wood pile at home is absolutely emptied and I need some. So come out to my mate's property. He's got a couple of fallen down trees, big old stringy bark here, and it's a big banger. So we'll see how long it takes us to completely fill this 6x4. Because it's pretty close to home, I don't worry about trying to pack it in too tightly. Just cut them up into rounds, throw them in, and I'll take them home and use the hydraulic splitter. But I've got the Echo CS590. I'm only running the 20-inch blade today instead of the 24. Need to get some new chains for that. Topped her up with good old used motor oil and petrol. So let's go and have a look and see how long this thing's going to take me to cut up. I'll show you the size of this tree. Camera never does them justice, but this is a good size one. Oh, before we start, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button please. Trying to get to 2,000. Not far off it, but any help would be greatly appreciated. Alright, so as you can see, this is the tree here. Plenty of smaller stuff, but this bad boy is, it's going to be easy. 2 foot through, that's big. So yeah, before it gets too hot today, it's going to be 30 plus something or other, but yeah, we will get stuck into this thing, load it up and take it back home, and then be able to relax before lunch. So let's get into it. Alright, done a bit of cleanup around here on the ground, chopped up some of the little messy stuff. We're on to the big stuff now, which is what you want to see. So see how the old 60cc, oh look at that, I think I need to tighten my chain up a fraction. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so taking a look back through the footage, and something I noticed on the day, and I've sort of done a little bit of research into, is when I've been trying to cut some of the smaller limbs with the end of the tip of the bar, it really struggles to bite into the wood, and will just blow a lot of dust out. So and having to stick it up into the dogs, as you can see here, and then lean on it, it'll cut through, no worries. And I've always used the Still 2-in-1 for a number of years now, and I think what's happening, and from research that I've found, I think it's not taking enough off the rakers, which is causing a lot of that extra dust to come out. So, and not being as sharp technically as what it could be. So, moving forward, I'm going to take a couple of extra swipes across the rakers, just lower them a little bit more, and see if that makes any difference. And I'll keep everybody updated to see how it goes. But once you stick it into the dogs and lean on it, it cuts through the wood pretty well without too many issues when it's sharp. So yeah, just something you learn and you see when you're looking back at your footage, and you know what you can do better the next time you go out. Now normally one tank of this will cut enough to fill my 6x4 trailer if I'm cutting big rounds, because I've been fluffing about with little bits and pieces, gone through a bit more. So I've only really got this bit of wood to go behind me, and that'll, I think, do it for today. Normally 1 tank of fuel, 1 tank of oil. Yep. All right. Now the saw's still cutting pretty good, so I'm not even going to worry about changing the saw in it, because I've only really got, I don't know, another 10-12 feet, and I think I'll call it quits. I'll see how we go. Anything more than that, or if I notice an issue, I'll stop and sharpen it. Alright, well, I think we'll stop it here for a moment. Do a bit of a load up into the trailer and see how we're going and what else we need to get. I think I might have a drink too. Anyway, saw is getting a little bit blunt. There's a fair bit of dust as opposed to big chips coming out, so if I do need to hack into this big one, I will give it a sharpen up on the Stihl 2-in-1. Alright, now the fun part that no one loves, throwing it in the trailer. I did bring some helpers, but they seem to be a bit busy. Ground support has finally arrived. Alright, you can probably see the sweat is pouring off me. And the trailer, well, she's pretty full. Lots of little bits, but I've got absolutely nothing. And I've got to still come back and clean up all of this. So I'll get another easy 2 or 3 loads out of that. So, you know, yeah, plenty of wood to start with. We've got another dead one down there as well, so plenty more to get around here in the area, and all cut with the Echo 60cc. Love it. Doesn't absolutely rev its guts out. It's not an absolute torque monster, but it does the job, and sharp blade, it'll get through everything, no worries at all. As you can see, they're big thick logs, so I think the max I cut today would have been 12-14 inches, but you know, it'll do plenty more if needed. So anyway, Time now to go home and unload this sucker. And thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.